In the ever-evolving world of firearms, 2024 proves to be an exciting year for handgun enthusiasts and the industry as a whole. With advancements in technology, innovative designs, and a renewed focus on functionality, there are handguns that are truly making waves. Whether you're a new gun owner, experienced, or simply intrigued by the latest trends in firearms, there's a little something for everyone in this year's lineup. The handgun market is witnessing a blend of classic craftsmanship and modern engineering, creating firearms that not only perform exceptionally, but also look stunning. We'll explore 7 standout handguns that have caught the attention of gun lovers in 2024. Each model brings its own unique features and innovations, promising to enhance your shooting experiences and redefine the standards in the industry. So let's get into the world of handguns and discover what makes these 7 models the talk of the town this year. This exceptional pistol has truly set the bar high with its perfect blend of power, performance, and features. The Staccato P has a sleek and ergonomic design with an aluminum frame that is both lightweight and durable. It's a double-stack pistol, which means you get a higher capacity 7+1 or 20+1 rounds of 9mm, ensuring you've got plenty of firepower when you really need it. One standout feature of the Staccato P is its 4.4-inch bull barrel, which is available in stainless steel or a DLC. This not only adds to the pistol's overall robustness, but also improves accuracy, allowing you to hit your target with confidence. All these features are the reasons for the pistol's value in the market. That's why it costs a whopping $2,100 to $4,500 depending on your location. Staccato's strong presence at events such as the SHOT Show 2024 and Range Day has generated significant buzz and interest in the Staccato P, contributing to its market presence and popularity in 2024. This pistol has been known to attract much fanfare in today's market, and I don't see it going down the market anytime soon. This is a timeless classic and a true icon in the world of firearms. It was first produced in 1955 and then became a legendary revolver that has captured the hearts and minds of gun lovers for decades thanks to its stunning design, unparalleled craftsmanship, and exceptional performance. And it's remained at the top of the firearm market even in today's market. But one of the reasons it's been able to stay on top for decades is due to the fact that it's been updated with modern features while still maintaining its charm. It's a double-action revolver which costs $1,400 to $2,500 and is renowned for its smooth trigger pull, exceptional accuracy, and beautiful finish. It's available in various barrel lengths from 2.5 to 8 inches and offers versatility for a wide range of shooting applications, including target shooting, hunting, and personal defense. One of the most iconic features of the Python is its ventilated rib at the top of the barrel, which not only adds a touch of elegance to the gun's appearance, but also aids in cooling and enhances your sight picture. This one needs no introduction. Its presence in today's market is strongly evident that it cannot be overlooked. It builds upon the success of the original M&P Shield and brings new features and enhancements that make it an even more compelling choice for those looking for a reliable, compact, and powerful firearm. A part of the pistol's improvement is its capacity. It now boasts a 10+1 or 13+1 round capacity in a flush-fit magazine, depending on the model, which provides a significant advantage over its predecessor and many other subcompact firearms on the market. And let's not forget to mention its more compact and concealable design. Now you know why it's making waves in the 2024 firearm market. The Shield Plus also sports an improved trigger featuring a flatter face and lighter trigger pull, which translates to better accuracy and quicker follow-up shots. Only a few other handguns can boast this much features for a price of $400 to $500. It's no wonder it's generated this much fanfare for this year. The Kimber R7 Mako Tactical is the latest evolution in Kimber's impressive line of firearms, which was designed to meet the needs of modern shooters who demand the highest level of performance and versatility. Building on the success of the original R7 Mako, this tactical version offers several key enhancements that elevate it to a new level of excellence. With all the improvements, it's no wonder that the pistol is gaining traction in today's market. It features an increased magazine capacity with a 15+1 round configuration that provides a significant advantage in high-stress situations. The extended grip also accommodates larger hands, ensuring a comfortable and secure hold for shooters of all sizes, which means it'll fit you no matter your hand size. For me, I think shooters' attraction to this pistol is because of its threaded barrel that allows you the addition of suppressors or other muzzle devices. The pistol costs around $927, but despite being a little expensive, it's undoubtedly making waves in today's market. This is a rugged and dependable revolver that has earned a reputation for being one of the most reliable handguns on the market. No wonder it's really popular and in large demand in today's market. It has a robust construction, a smooth trigger, and an impressive accuracy that makes it a favorite among gun lovers, hunters, and law enforcement officers. It has a triple locking cylinder, which ensures that the cylinder is locked securely in place during firing, providing added safety and stability. The revolver's transfer bar mechanism also prevents the hammer from striking the firing pin unless the trigger is fully pulled, adding another layer of safety to the design. Its comfortable rubber grip with hardwood insert not only adds a touch of elegance to the revolver, but also provides a secure and comfortable hold for you, reducing felt recoil and improving accuracy. The revolver's widespread popularity is a result of its strength and accuracy, which are some of the core features of any firearm. For a pistol that's priced around $600 to $700 with exceptional features, popularity is a must. I don't think you even need to be told that this pistol is making waves in 2024 because it's obvious. Glock 19 Gen 5 is the latest evolution of one of the most popular and reliable handguns on the market. It builds on the success of its predecessors and offers several improvements and enhancements that make it an even more attractive option for shooters and concealed carriers. It offers improved ergonomics with a more aggressive grip texture, ambidextrous slide stop lever, and reversible magazine catch that makes it more comfortable and user-friendly for a wider range of shooters. The modular backstrap system allows for further customization, ensuring a perfect fit for any hand size. The Glock 19 Gen 5 also boasts improved accuracy and reliability thanks to its Glock Marksman Barrel GMB and NDLC finish, which provide better corrosion resistance and durability. Who would see all these and run from it? It's not just hype, it's sheer quality that makes this pistol so popular in 2024. The CZ Shadow 2 Compact is the ultimate fusion of race-ready features and compact size, and it's an ideal choice for concealed carry or casual target shooting. Born from the legendary Shadow 2 competition pistol, the compact model offers the same precision and reliability in a lightweight and easily concealable package. It features a 102mm barrel and a 15-round magazine and packs a serious punch in a small frame. The fiber optic front side and checkered rear side provide quick and accurate target acquisition, while the single-action, double-action trigger system ensures smooth and consistent shooting. But don't be fooled by its small size. The Shadow 2 Compact isn't lightweight in terms of performance. I've seen many reviews from satisfied users stating they haven't seen anything like it. With those kinds of reviews, its popularity will double or even triple in the coming months. Just in case you were wondering how much this pistol costs, it has a price of just $1,300. Of course, with such popularity and demand comes a premium price to match. So that's all for our list of the 7 handguns making waves in 2024. Do you think there are handguns that should have made the list? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.